The objective of this inbound coordinator job is to open, record, and shelve inbound products. The equipment used includes racks, a desk, a rolling cart, totes, boxes, a computer, a keyboard, a mouse, a monitor, a height-adjustable chair, phones which included land and cell, a standing computer desk, and a standing inbound check-in desk. The tools used include WebOps software, which is used to track ID information for incoming products, box cutters, a scanner, plastic wrap on a tool handle, pens, markers, and a stapler. The materials used include shipped boxes of product, totes of medical devices which weigh about 25 pounds, and paper. The work environment is an inside work environment with heat and air conditioning. An exterior door is open for loading products into vans, which adds cool and hot air into the warehouse depending on weather conditions. The personal protective equipment includes latex gloves are available when sorting the returning instruments in case of contaminants. There is also a cleaning station available. The worker observed was 5 feet 10 inches tall. The work methods for the observed inbound coordinator job begin with FedEx dropping off the packages, including boxes and totes, in the morning. These boxes and totes contain replacement parts, returns, and orders. Workers receive 55 to 130 packages per day. The average number of packages is 50 to 70 pieces per day. Once packages have been received, workers open boxes with box cutters. Then they remove the air cushion plastic filler. Then they review returned materials and the enclosed paper documentation. Next, workers close the box. Then they mark the box using a marker. Next, workers will position the box on the table or cart or carry the box to the rack. They then enter product information into the computer. Lastly, workers enter received kits into the computer. There were several ergonomic risk factors observed for the inbound coordinator job. Repeated and sustained exertions were rated as a medium pace. Hands were in steady motion and exertion to open, record, and shelve inbound boxed products. Sustained exertions were observed and included continuous standing and continuous neck flexion or forward bending to open and record inbound boxed products. Forceful exertions were required to open cardboard boxes with the box cutters. They were also required to get, lift, position, and carry totes and boxes of product. Finally, forceful exertions were necessary to push the carts. Awkward postures were observed and included elevated arms, forearm rotation, wrist flexion, neck lateral bending or sideways bending, and flexion to open boxes. Wrist extension or backwards bending while using the standing computer. Torso flexion to position totes in the lower levels of the rack and to pick up totes and boxes located below waist level. The mechanical or localized contact stress observed was contact stress between the forearms, elbows, and wrists and the desktop. Additionally, contact stress between the hands and fingers and edges of the totes and cardboard boxes was observed. The recommendations for the inbound coordinator job include: consider wearing gloves when lifting and carrying totes and wire baskets to decrease localized contact stress and forceful exertions. Investigate carousel rack systems that bring product to the worker near waist level to decrease posture stress. Investigate wider aisles so carts can be used to take totes to the racks to decrease forceful exertions. Consider using easily adjustable height tables and computer workstations to decrease posture stress.